Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rizla Ersa Romadhia from Group 6. I will explain about the instrument types. So, 5 is observation is conducting direct observation like can be made by tests, questionnaires, various image and sound recordings. For the preparation of observation guidelines that need to be carried out include first one is determining the object to be observed, and then formulating an operational defined to object to be observed, and then make a description of the object to be observed, and create and arrange short question about the indicators of observed that can be object, and then conduct trials, and the last one is perfecting and arranging item question into a unified whole and systematic. 6 is grade scale. Grade scale is subjective measure that is made to scale. This instrument can easily provide a description of the appearance, like especially the appearance in person carrying out the tasks which show the frequency of appearance of the threads. And then the last one is documentation and secondary data. Documentation from the origin of the word document, which means written goods. In carrying out the documentation method, research investigates matters in the form of books, letters, inscription, meeting minutes, agenda, archive, journal, video, and so on. Next slide is classification of documents and secondary data according to Johnson and Christensen 2004 includes the first one is official documents, personal documents, physical data, and the last one is investigation data store. So the next about measurement technique. The research technique is the use of tools in measuring or collecting data. So what is discussed in research techniques include measurement in research and data collection tools. So the first one is measurement in research. That is attempt to give number to object or even according to a certain rule. So measurement is basically a description of relationship. The first one like scale or level of measurement is regulation of the use of number notation in the measurement. This measurement scale can be divided into 4 types, namely as follows. First one, nominal scale, is assigned to an object or category that does not describe the position of the object against the other objects or categories, but it's just a label or code. The scale has 2 characteristics, namely the data categories are mutually exclusive and data categories are not arranged logically. So that is all about my explanation. I'm Rizla Ersa Romadhia from Group 6. Said Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.